my dear students. Welcome to SRS Heritage School online classes, JEE NEET Foundation program. Session 10 of class 8. In previous session, we have learned about physical properties of acids. Yeah. Acids have sour to taste and they turn blue litmus solution red. They turn methyl iron solution red. They do not affect phenolphthalein solution. And acids are corrosive nature, and most of the acids are soluble in water. Next, chemical properties of acids like action with metals, action with metal oxides, action with metal hydroxides, and action with metal carbonates and bicarbonates. And also we have learned uses of acids. Uses of acids like hydrochloric acid uses, sulfuric acid uses, nitric acid uses, acetic acid uses. Next, in today's session, let us study about bases. Let us study about bases. What is meant by base? The substance which dissolve in water to give OH minus ion. The substance which dissolve in water to give OH minus ion is called OH minus ion. To give OH minus ion is called base. Or else, the substance which react acid to form salt and water. The substance which react to form salt and water. Only one product is called base. The substance which react with acid to form salt and water. That particular substance what we call base. For example, all hydroxides of metals are also bases. All oxides means metal oxide into then see here potassium hydroxide. Oxides of metal, potassium is a metal atom, and sodium oxide Na2O, calcium oxide CaO, magnesium oxide MgO. These are examples of metal oxides. These metal oxides undercomes to bases. Next, all hydroxides, sodium hydroxide NaOH, potassium hydroxide KOH, calcium hydroxide CaOH twice, and magnesium hydroxide MgOH twice. These all are also metal oxides. These metal oxides are also called bases. The name of all bases, that is with the name of metal and with the name of bases start with the name start with metal and end with oxide. Bases name start with metal and end with oxide. Yes. Classification of bases. Classification of bases. Bases can be classified into two types. One is strong base, another one is weak base. First one, strong bases. Second one, weak bases, which we call strong bases, which we call weak base. Strong bases, the acid and the oxides and hydroxides of sodium and potassium are strong bases. The oxides, hydroxides of sodium and potassium, only sodium and potassium are strong bases. That means sodium oxide, potassium oxide and sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. The oxides and hydroxides of metals like sodium and potassium are strong bases. Sodium oxide is a strong base. Potassium oxide is a strong base. And even sodium hydroxide is a strong base. And potassium hydroxide, this also is strong base. And strong bases are very soluble in water. Strong bases are very soluble in water. The oxides and hydroxides of sodium and potassium are called strong bases. Next, weak bases. The oxides and hydroxides of all other metals except sodium and potassium are called weak bases. The oxides and hydroxides of all other metals except sodium and potassium are called weak bases. For example, magnesium oxide, magnesium hydroxide. These two are also bases. These are weak bases. And one more example, ammonium hydroxide, NH4OH. Ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide also weak base. Then they are sparingly soluble in water. They are sparingly soluble in water. That means insoluble in water. Even ammonium hydroxide is obtained from ammonia. When ammonia reacts with water. When ammonia NH3 reacts with water H2O to form ammonium hydroxide. This is the preparation of ammonium hydroxide. Next, how to prepare bases. Next, how to prepare bases. Preparation of bases. Most of the metals, when heated, catch fire and burn and comes to form their oxides. Most of the metals catch fire when heated. That readily catch fire and burn and to form metal oxide, their oxides. For example, sodium is a metal. Sodium is ready, when heated, it is readily catch fire and it burns and it comes to sodium oxide. And even though when we are heating and the time oxygen is present in the air, then oxygen readily catch sodium and it comes to sodium oxide. See, for example, when metal reacts with oxygen, that means when metal burns in the presence of oxygen to form metal oxide. To form metal oxide. And instead of metal, we have to take one example, sodium. For example, sodium is a metal atom. Sodium reacts with oxygen to form sodium oxide. Next, one more metal, calcium. Calcium reacts with oxygen to form calcium oxide. These all are the bases. Sodium oxide, calcium oxide, even the magnesium. For balancing this equation, we have to keep 2 here and 4 here. This also. You know very well balance. Then for balancing purpose, we have to keep 2 here calcium. 2 atoms of calcium is combined with 2 atoms of oxygen to form 2 molecules of calcium oxide. Next, magnesium. When we have take magnesium, when magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. Here also. This is a preparation of bases. Even the oxides of metals commonly called basic oxide. The oxides of metal commonly called basic oxide because they react with acid to form salt and water. The oxides of metal commonly called basic oxide because they react with acid to form salt and water as only products. What is meant by alkalis? Bases which are soluble in water are called alkalis. Bases which are soluble in water are called alkalis. The special name given by bases indicates their that they are soluble in water. Why they are given special name to bases? Because they are soluble in water. Bases which are soluble in water are called alkalis. This special name is given because of they are soluble in water. All alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. Remember, all alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. For example, alkalis example, sodium hydroxide. You know, sodium hydroxide is a strong base and it is dissolved in water. That is why sodium hydroxide is a alkali base. Next, potassium hydroxide. Formula KOH. Even potassium hydroxide is a strong base. It is dissolved in water. That is why potassium hydroxide is an alkali base. Now, even calcium hydroxide. CaOH twice. These all are alkali bases. Now, how to prepare alkalis? How to prepare alkalis? Preparation of alkalis. Alkalis are prepared by dissolving basic oxides in calcium, magnesium, potassium and sodium in water. The alkalis are prepared by dissolving basic oxides. How to prepare alkalis? Dissolving basic oxide in water. What are basic oxides? Like potassium, calcium, magnesium, potassium, calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, potassium oxide, sodium oxide. These are the basic oxides. These basic oxide, when we are dissolving water, it gives basic hydroxides. That basic hydroxide is called as alkali bases. See, soluble, that is nothing but alkali, form alkali. Then basic oxide. When basic oxide reacts with water to form alkali. Alkali is nothing but basic hydroxide form. It is dissolved in water. For example, let us take, so basic oxide we know. What are the basic oxides? Sodium oxide, potassium oxide, magnesium oxide, calcium oxide, and first take sodium oxide. Formula is Na2O. When sodium oxide reacts with water, water formula is H2O to form sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. Is it balanced? No. To balance this equation, first of all, count the number of atoms in the reactant side and product side. Sodium 2 atoms are there here. No, 2 atoms. To balance sodium atom, we have to keep 2 before the formula. Then 2 sodium atoms, 2 oxygen atoms, 2 hydrogen atoms. Here count 2 hydrogen atoms, 2 oxygen atoms. Here 1 oxygen, here 1 oxygen. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 oxygen atoms. Oxygen atoms are balanced and sodium atoms also balanced and hydrogen atoms also balanced. Next, calcium oxide, CaO. Formula is calcium oxide CaO. Formula, dissolve in water or else react with water, form calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Why I kept two times calcium atomic number is 20. Then it has valence is 2. Then because of that purpose I have taken 2 hydroxy molecules. Next, calcium, 1 calcium atom. Here reactant side also 1 calcium atom. Calcium balanced. And oxygen 1, 2 oxygen atoms. Here also 2 oxygen atoms. It's balanced. And 2 hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen atoms here also 2. Log 2 means 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 2, 2. 2 hydroxy atoms containing 2 atoms of hydrogen and 2 atoms of oxygen. Then calcium, when calcium oxide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide formula CaOH twice. Next, magnesium oxide, MgO. When magnesium oxide reacts with water to form magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium, count the number of atoms in the reactant side and product side of magnesium. Mg 1. Oxygen, 2 oxygen atoms. Here also 2 oxygen atoms, 2 hydrogen atoms, 2 hydrogen atoms. This equation also balanced. When magnesium reacts with water, magnesium oxide reacts with water to form magnesium hydroxide. These all are alkalis, or else we call alkali bases. Alkali bases, why we call alkali bases? It dissolves in water. Then oxides, metal oxides dissolve in water to give the bases. That bases are called alkali bases. These alkali bases, we have discussed strong bases and weak bases. Which are weak bases? Auto is weak base. What is the formula of ammonium hydroxide? NH4 OH. This ammonium hydroxide also called as ammonia solution or as ammonia liquor. Ammonia solution or as ammonia liquor. It does not contain any metal ion. It does not contain. Have you seen here any metal atom is there? No, it does not contain any metal ions. Here ammonia radical. This ammonia radical only acts as positive charge. Acts as a positive ion. We know OH minus H plus. When it is dissolved with this solution in water, it gives OH minus. That solution is called as a base. And then this ammonia radical acts as like a metal atom. This positive ion, a positive radical, and OH minus is a negative radical. Prepare ammonia solution. When ammonia reacts with water, it gives ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide. This ammonium hydroxide is a ammonia liquor or called as ammonia solution. Okay, my dear students, so far we have studied bases. What is meant by base? The solution in which dissolve in water to give OH minus ion is called base. And a classification of bases, and we have studied how to prepare bases and alkali, definition of alkalis, and how to prepare alkalis. Okay, we'll meet you next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.